Dario Šimić was born on November 12 in 1975 in Zagreb. At the age of 16, he makes the debut for Dinamo Zagreb, which makes him the youngest player in the club history. With his excellent performances in the club, he made the cut for Croatian national football team in 1995. He is the only Croatian player to play in all important competitions since Croatia's independence, which means 3 world and 3 European championships. Dario played 100 games for Croatian national football team and set a record. After the World Cup in France in 1998, he transferred to Inter Milan. For the next 4 years, he plays alongside Ronaldo, Vieri, Baggio. In 2002, a great rivals trade was made, AC Milan and Inter. Dario became new Rossonero. With AC Milan, he wins Champions League title for 2 times and plays 40 games in the league.
Figo. Šimić I Zidane.
His teammates in the club were Shevchenko, Kaka, Rivaldo, Maldini, Nesta, Pirlo, Seedorf, and the coach was Ancelotti. He also wins Scudetto, Cup and Super Cup. He played 150 championship games for AC Milan. In 2008, he transfers to Monaco, where he becomes the captain of the team. After 2 years he spent in Monaco, Dario and his wife Jelena and their 3 sons returned to Croatia and currently live in Zagreb. Today, Dario is the president of Croatian Football Players Association, and he also obtained a coaching A license. Also, he is the owner of Aquaviva company as well as Italian Espresso.
Evo, ovo je punionica vode s kojom sam se počeo baviti. Jedna od najmodernijih punionica u Europi, lider smo na hrvatskom tržištu, zapošljavam oko 50 ljudi. Osim proizvodnje vode, napravili smo I proizvodnju talijanskog espressa, imamo pržionicu, proizvodnju u Rijeci, a u Zagrebu imamo distribuciju. Isto tako proizvodimo čajeve I distribuiramo ih na hrvatskom tržištu.
Evo, nalazimo se tu ispred Historija, to je inače naš kafe klub.